Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Realme 7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad. Then click consent and you can click on this button to start your VPN and then click always allow. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.